Hello everybody, we come to chapter 8 and on chapter 8 we will study about passive voice. The title of chapter 8, They Are Made in Indonesia. From this title, we know that this is one of example of passive voice sentence. They are made in Indonesia. They subjects are to be made verb and in Indonesia is adverb, kata keterangan. Jika anak-anak menemukan nanti to be diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk ketiga, maka kata kerja ini diartikan pasif. Dari make menjadi made, dari membuat menjadi dibuat. Itu untuk passive voice. Coba lihat sekarang gambar di sini. Some products, we know these products are made in Indonesia. Produk-produk ini dibuat di Indonesia. And on this chapter, we will study about to use sentences in the passive voice to describe object. And if we learn about passive voice, we must know the function of passive voice. Voice, asking and giving information without mentioning the subject. And second, the focus is in the action. Kita akan memberitahukan atau meminta informasi tanpa mengetahui, tanpa menyebutkan subjek. Dan kedua, kita fokusnya pada kegiatan yang dilakukan. Okay, the passive voice, we focus on to be and we focus on verb 3. We know that the passive voice from to be and followed by verb 3. Dari to be diikuti oleh kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Sekarang kita di bentuk present. To be di bentuk present itu ada am, is, dan are. Sedangkan to be di bentuk past itu ada was dan were. Di mana am dan is kalau dibentuk pastnya dia berubah menjadi were, sedangkan are menjadi were. Oke, is dan am berubah menjadi was, are berubah menjadi were, sedangkan di future dia akan menjadi will be. So the present to be's are am, is, and are, but in the past to be's was and were, where am and is at the present become was and are become were. And in the future, there is only one. That's a will be. And about the verb 3. Okay, the verb 3, we can see here regular verb and others irregular verb. There's a regular verb and others irregular verb. Regular verb itu kata kerja yang perubahannya beraturan. Selalu ditambahkan ed setelah kata kerja. Sedangkan irregular verb itu perlu dihafalkan, perlu dipelajari lebih jauh. Okay, from number 1, verb 1, marinate. Verb 2-nya cuma ditambahkan ed, marinated. And verb 3, still the same, masih sama, marinated. And number 2, skewer menjadi skewered. And verb 3, skewered too, skewered juga, ya. Itu cuma akhiran ed, kalau kata kerja berakhiran t, maka dibaca. Marinate itu kan bunyinya net, bunyinya T. Kalau diikuti oleh E dan D, maka harus dibaca marinated and marinated. Skewered menjadi skewered. And grill become grill. Serve become served. Steam menjadi steam. Fill menjadi fill. Wrap menjadi wrap. Skewer menjadi skewer, and cook become cooked, and mix become mixed. And now is a irregular verb. Irregular verb here, the sound and the written is different. Okay, make become made in verb 2 and verb 3 become made 2. Number 2, find menjadi found and found. Number 3, do menjadi did and done. And next, sell, sold, sold. Write become wrote and written. Grow become grown and grown. Keep become kept and kept. Drink become drunk and drink become drank and drunk. Eat become ate and eaten. Send menjadi sent and sent. So now look at the example here. Ada contoh di sini. On simple past tense, where we know the simple past tense. This is sentence from simple past tense because the verb use drank. Itu drank di posisinya verb kedua. Maka kita bisa menyimpulkan bahwa kalimat ini adalah kalimat simple past tense. Jadi untuk passive voice-nya, to be yang kita pilih antara was dan were. Okay, look at this. The passive voice. The cooks were drunk by them. The active voice, they drank the cooks. Passive voice-nya, the cooks were drunk by them. Okay. So to be-nya di sini were dan bentuk kata kerjanya ketiga yaitu drunk. Kenapa kita menggunakan to be were? Karena cooks-nya itu mengindikasikan lebih dari satu menggunakan s. Kalau cooks-nya tanpa s, maka to be-nya menjadi was. Oke. Kalau tanpa s, to be-nya adalah was. Jadi the cook was drunk. Itu aja cukup. Kalau Anda mau tambahkan by them, silahkan. Karena kita fokus pada kegiatan. Oke, next. The simple present tense. Dodi makes a beautiful painting. Ini kalimat aktif. Kita tahu ini simple present tense karena kata kerjanya makes. Membuat, bukan made. Oke, next. Kalimat pasifnya menjadi a beautiful painting is made by Dodi. A beautiful painting is made by Dodi. So, subjek di passive voice merupakan objek di active voice. Begitu juga objek di passive voice merupakan subjek di active voice. Artinya, subjek di kalimat aktif menjadi objek di kalimat pasif, sedangkan subjek di kalimat pasif adalah objek di kalimat aktif. Itu polanya, tinggal kita menentukan to be, dan setelah kata kerja itu ada by yang diartikan oleh. Oke, selanjutnya contoh di simple future. Kita tahu ini kalimat simple future karena menggunakan will. Will itu future, akan. Future itu kejadian yang akan datang. Oke, di example here, she will sell her painting tomorrow. She will sell her painting tomorrow. Ini kalimat aktif, kalimat pasifnya her painting will be sold by her tomorrow. Oke, her painting will be sold by her tomorrow. By her-nya dalam kurung bisa Anda buat, bisa tidak, bisa diucapkan juga bisa tidak. Kalau tanpa diucapkan, her painting will be sold tomorrow. That is enough. Oke, itu contohnya. Contoh ada di present perfect, past perfect, future perfect, and present progressive, past progressive, dan future progressive. Itu Anda bisa lihat di LKS sudah ada. Anda baca di sana tentang passive voice. Oke, selanjutnya silakan kerjakan. Ini ada di LKS. Yang pertama, tugas Anda change the sentences into passive voice. Itu ada task 4, halaman page 112, 112 pada buku LKS. Dan nomor 2, tugas Anda di individual activity. Kebalikannya, change the sentence into active voice. Tadi menjadi passive voice yang di task 4, sedangkan individual activities itu dari passive menjadi active voice, halaman 133, 113. And this task must be submitted. Ya, Bapak menggunakan kalimat pasif juga. This task must be submitted before next meeting. This task must be submitted before next meeting. So, I think enough for now. Thank you and goodbye. Stay healthy and keep distant. Goodbye.